I'm living the crafter's dream. I have over 50 bins and we're ready to open bin number 29. My name is Stephanie. I own a secondhand art and craft supply shop called Bottom of the Bin, and I just purchased an 80-year-old lady's entire collection of craft supplies. It was over 5 rooms full and we're opening it one bin at a time. Already we have a binder and it looks like it's full of stamps. I'm gonna look at this a bit better to see what the text is, like all the sheets at the front are, but there is a whole ton of cling stamps in here organized in little card holders. How fun is that? Oh, so it looks like there's sheets of different sentiments and sayings, and she circled the ones that she has. So it must have been taken from some sort of, I don't know, online catalog. There is some little samples of what the stamps look like. This is a color guide to the Color in La Plume markers, I imagine. Either that or ink. Looks like markers. And then this must be font types and samples. This is really it's really cool to see. I don't even, it says We Are Memory Keepers on the bottom, which is a crafting brand. And Cuttlebug and Quick Cuts. Oh, so this must be a list of the dies or the embossing folders that she has. Like, my brain doesn't work this way, so I can't even imagine putting something like this together. But it is super, super cool to look at and gives me a ton of ideas for my own collection. So yeah, on the front of each little pocket, she's got a stamp sample of what it actually looks like. So as she's flipping through, she knows exactly what it's going to look like when she stamps a card or a journal or whatever. Wow, that was fun and unexpected. I mean, I guess I should have expected it because of how organized this craft collection is, but I haven't seen anything quite like that yet through here. We've got a little organizer for a drawer, perhaps. This is a paper crimper. Paper crimpers actually do pretty well in our store. So if you're new here, my store actually sells secondhand art and craft supplies that are traded in by our community. But we made an exception and purchased this 80-year-old lady's entire collection. But otherwise, you could just bring in stuff that you don't want anymore and get store credit. That way, we're kind of like reducing waste, using what we actually want, getting rid of the stuff that we don't need, and helping keep art affordable in our community. And we also have an eBay shop. So if you want to shop with us, you can visit our website, bottomofthebin.com, for links. This looks like it's been sprayed by some alcohol ink, and there is just some paper scraps. Oh, that one's kind of cool. It looks like wood grain. Some ribbon and some gift wrapping paper. We have some iCraft deco foil and a pencil holder a Bob just slid out of. Okay, this middle one, let's see if this has a label. Embellishments. Ooh, I'll set that aside and we'll dig through that in a second. And then this one is gelatos and distress crayons. No way. I love using gelatos. I haven't used the distress crayons before. I have a little collection of gelatos though, but distress, the Tim Holtz stuff, is one of my favorite brands. So I might take a look at these, and if I keep these, I'll swap them with some of the other gelatos I have. That way I get something and the store gets something. Okay, move the bin out of our way so we can see a bit better what we're dealing with here. And I don't know what this is, like a cute little plastic heart fell out. Oh, they're pendants. Okay. We've got some really pretty yellow butterflies. That is my sign from my mom. Hello, Mom. And some little palm tree stirrers. Oh, these are little Easter egg cutouts. That's really cute. And some leaf confetti. More little embellishments. Oh, these are really cute. They're little decorative mirrors. But look, there's birds and dragonflies, two of my favorite things. Some circles here. Are these literally watermelon seeds? They literally look like watermelon seeds. Ah, some cute little tassels from Celebrate It. There is some, well, there's two, silver and gold. Some cute little shamrock cutouts, some congrats confetti, and some little cutout butterflies. How cute! Aw, what a fun little bin. Oh, I just realized I had these backwards. All right, these are what gets me excited. There are so many of these. We haven't even scratched the surface of stamps yet, so there's a ton more to go through. Oh, this is cute. It's by Lizzie Annie, and it's little snow globes. I love snow globes. Ooh, that's a nice big one. That's a really good one. Great for shaker cards. These ones say let it snow. Actually has some reindeer on there. And oh my gosh, those little snowmen are so cute. And they come with the matching dies. Another little snowman ice skating. Oh, and this one's going tubing. Wait, these are like literally so freaking cute. And there's a trio of snowmen. I'm not like super big on Christmas crafting. However, these guys are really cute and I would definitely throw a few on my Christmas cards. Oh, this is cute. It's kind of like a build your own snowman and there's a couple different face options in there. Next we have some trees. Ooh, those are really pretty. I am just like so amazed at how many she has, especially trees. She must have really loved trees because this is not the first bin of tree stamps that we've come across, and there was a ton of dies as well. I have this one. Oh my gosh, it's a little layering Christmas tree. This one's by Penny Black, which a lot of you have been telling me is a really good brand, and that has the matching dies. I love when they come with the dies. It's literally my favorite thing because then they're so easy to cut out and stick on a card as an embellishment. Ooh, that's a really nice big one. Oh, that one's so pretty and whimsical. Double-sided, so there's some on each side. Then we have trucks and sleds. Okay, that's a sled. This one says peace and Mela Kaliki Maka. I have no idea what that means. Oh, here's some trucks. This is really fun. One year I made a bunch of greeting cards with trucks that had well, I also had like little kitty stickers holding presents and they were like kind of, I don't know, shock looking. So we made it so the truck would hit a tree and then the kitty or the puppy holding the presents would be flying out the back. Those were really popular. I love making greeting cards, obviously. Oh my gosh, look at the two little birdies down there. And the wreaths, that is a super cute set as well. And then a beautiful large wreath. And then off to the side here, we have some trees and foliage. Okay, and on this side, I said I wasn't gonna go through every single one of them, but I can't help it. It's so much fun. This is literally like Christmas for me. I mean, especially because it's full of Christmas stuff, but this treasure digging has just, I don't know, it's the highlight of my day. I love seeing all of this stuff. And by the way, if you are new here and you are local, we are doing what's called the bin of the day at our shop. So after these videos go live the following 2 days, we have the items from these specific bins. Ooh, that one's super cool. On a table in our store in a specific section, so you don't have to dig through the whole store to find the new stuff. And it's been going really well. So if you see something you like, you know that the following 2 days, the bin will be out at the shop and you can come grab what you're looking for, as long as, yeah, someone didn't grab it before you. I just can't believe how many there are. It just goes on and on and on. And the fact that they're double-sided, I mean, that's just the gift that keeps on giving. Oh, that's really cute with the penguin and the snowman. I think this entire bin is Christmas. That's not even, yeah, that's not even a stretch of the imagination. This is all Christmas. I mean, how do you accumulate so many Christmas stamps? That had to be her favorite thing to do. I can't imagine why else. We haven't seen a whole lot of other holidays. So yeah, this is a lot. I'm gonna try to make this a little easier on myself. I'll put them back in afterwards. Wow, all of these stars and snowflakes, they're just so pretty. I mean, it's like if she ever was like, oh, I need a snowflake. Well, I've got, you know, 50 or 100 to choose from. I think that would make it so much harder though to actually pick what to use. So I can see how a collection like this could definitely get overwhelming. And I definitely see like why the organization, I can talk, why the organization was like so much needed, because I don't have anywhere near this many, and I already have a hard time finding or remembering what I have. So that'll do it for bin number 29. Make sure to follow or subscribe so you don't miss the next unbinning.